Top 5 Coding Laptops for Beginners in 2024. What's up everyone, it's Gadget Ranker. Starting your coding journey is exciting but also kinda overwhelming. You're hitting up Stack Overflow at 3 a.m., rocking that dark mode like a pro, but you need a machine that can keep up. We're diving deep into the top 5 laptops perfect for beginners. We're talking performance, portability, battery life, all those things that matter when you're pulling those all-nighters. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's find the perfect laptop to launch your coding career. Alright, kicking things off with a classic, the MacBook Air with the M1 chip. This thing is like the poster child for portability. Seriously, it's so thin and light you can practically slip it into an envelope. But don't let that fool you. The M1 chip is a beast. It can handle pretty much anything you throw at it, from basic coding to some light photo editing, even some casual gaming. Battery life is insane. You can get through a full day of coding without needing to hunt for an outlet. And the keyboard? It's a dream to type on. The port selection is a bit limited. You get 2 USB-C ports and that's it. Overall, the MacBook Air M1 is a solid choice for beginners. If you're looking for a premium experience and you're okay with the Apple ecosystem, this one's definitely worth considering. Next up, we've got the Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. This one's all about that premium Windows experience. The design is sleek, the build quality is top-notch, and the keyboard is super comfortable to type on. Performance-wise, the Surface Laptop 4 holds its own. It can handle coding, web browsing, multimedia, you name it. Plus, the battery life is pretty solid. You can expect to get a full workday's worth of use out of it. The port selection is a bit limited. You get a couple of USB ports, a headphone jack, and a Surface Connect port. Overall, the Surface Laptop 4 is a great option if you're looking for a well-rounded Windows laptop with a premium feel. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it's definitely a solid performer. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, moving on to the Dell XPS 13. This laptop is known for its incredible display. Seriously, it's practically all screen. Dell calls it the Infinity Edge display, and it's pretty awesome. The XPS 13 packs some serious power under the hood. You can get it with some pretty beefy specs, making it a great choice for coding and other demanding tasks. Despite its compact size, the XPS 13 doesn't skimp on battery life. You can expect to get a full day's worth of use out of it. The webcam is placed at the bottom of the screen, which can make for some interesting video calls. Price-wise, the XPS 13 is definitely a premium option. If those are all important factors for you, the XPS 13 is definitely worth considering. Up next, we've got the HP Spectre X360, a 2-in-1 laptop that's all about versatility. You can flip the screen all the way around, turning it into a tablet. This can be super handy for note-taking, drawing, or just kicking back and watching some videos. The Spectre X360 is no slouch when it comes to performance. It can handle coding, light photo editing, and even some casual gaming without breaking a sweat. The battery life is also impressive, especially for a 2-in-1. The keyboard? It's a joy to type on. Overall, the HP Spectre X360 is a great option if you're looking for a versatile 2-in-1 laptop that can handle both work and play. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it's definitely a solid performer. Last but not least, we've got the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon, a laptop known for its durability and reliability. ThinkPads have been a staple in the business world for years, and for good reason. They're built like tanks. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon is also a great performer. It can handle pretty much anything you throw at it, from coding to video editing to light gaming. The keyboard? It's legendary. ThinkPad keyboards are known for their tactile feedback and comfortable typing experience. The design is a bit more utilitarian compared to some of the other laptops on this list. If you're looking for a durable, reliable, and powerful laptop with a fantastic keyboard, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon is definitely worth considering. Let's wrap this up. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best coding laptops for beginners in 2024. We've covered a range of options, from the ultra-portable MacBook Air to the versatile HP Spectre X360 to the durable Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. Ultimately, the best laptop for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Consider what's most important to you: portability, performance, battery life, design, or price, and choose the laptop that best fits your criteria. Let us know in the comments which laptop you're leaning towards, or if you have any other questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips.